Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this K-pop Demon Hunter filter on TikTok. Okay, K-pop Demon Hunter DNA. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in effect gallery, in trending section, remove this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button, and here search for K-pop Demon Hunter DNA. Okay, the first one with 238.9k video, just tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search. What you can do, just go to your For You page and here search for K-pop Demon Hunter DNA filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you can't see the effects here, then what you can do, you can tap on any of this video, not any of this, you have to see the fingerprint. Okay, like this one. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So to use this filter, what you can do, just tap on the record button and give your fingerprint. Okay, and that's it. Likewise, you can get this effect and use this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.